I've got a can of tomatoes, onion, garlic, some mushrooms, some pasta, a couple of spices. That's it. This is a really beautiful, easy and super tasty pasta. Nice budget friendly. Takes about 10 minutes to make something like that. Very, very easy. Let's get on with it. Welcome back once again to how to cook great food. Okay, let's have a little look at what we're going to be using today. So I've got some mushrooms here. Fresh white mushrooms. I've got like 250 grams there. Cut quite chunky. 1 can of tomatoes. That was a whole plum tomato and I just crush it up with my hand. Pasta, I'm using this farfalle today. You can use any type of pasta you want. Get that ready. We're really going to concentrate on the sauce. 1 onion chopped. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Salt, pepper. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, give it a nice little kick, and the same of oregano. Really, really simple. Nice budget, beautiful, tasty meal. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got some oil in there. I'm using olive oil. Use something different if you want. We're on a medium heat. Just put that on now. Let's drop in our onion and our garlic. And I'll be back in 3 minutes. Three minutes later, the onions just changed colour. Let's drop in our chunky cut mushrooms. Now you can cut them really small if you want, slice them really thin. I just like them like this. And again, very simply, 3 to 4 minutes on this medium heat. Keep them moving around. I'll be back. We might get a little bit of moisture from the mushrooms, depending on what type you've used, and they will reduce down in size. Okay, so you can see the onions, the garlic, and the mushrooms are cooking away. What we're going to do now is add that 1 can of tomatoes, which I crushed. Salt and pepper, chili powder, optional, but I think it's nice in there. Oregano, beautiful. Let's turn the heat down just to below a medium now. Let this go for 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. You're nearly done. It's wonderful. And look at that beautiful little sauce. Let's grab our cooked pasta. I'm using this farfalle, spaghetti, tagliatelle, penne, anything works, doesn't it? You can get it in there. I'm going to go for 3 more minutes just to coat the pasta and heat it actually because it's cold. I cooked it a little bit earlier and that's it, job done. Check it for salt and pepper. I think it's going to be good for me. A very, very simple garlic, mushroom, tomato pasta. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, so easy and so tasty. Bit of Parmesan cheese on the top if you want, or a bit of grated mozzarella. Anything goes really. You can use whatever cheese you want. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up, please. And leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you. We will see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.